you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and smash the like button. Also check out my Facebook page and my website at filipinodadcooks.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make crispy Lechon Kawali. Here are the ingredients: pork belly, whole peppercorns, bay leaves, salt, and lechon sauce for dipping. Add about 2 tablespoons of salt to boiling water. Then the whole peppercorns. Bay leaves. Then the pork belly. I already sliced my pork belly into big cubes. This is the fastest way to cook these, especially when you don't have a lot of time to wait. A big slab of pork belly takes about 3 to 4 hours of boiling. Slicing them into cubes only takes about an hour to boil. After boiling, drain the water and let the pork belly cool down. You can put them in the fridge if you're in a hurry. Believe me, you don't want to deep fry the belly when it's still wet and hot. The oil will splatter all over the place. When it cools down, add some salt to the meat. We don't really need to put a lot because we already added salt when we boil these. Now we can deep fry. Make sure you have something to cover it with, like the splatter screen. Another reason why I slice them before boiling is so that I can get crispier lechon kawali, where all sides of the meat are fried and crispy. You can also double fry the meat for an even crispier lechon kawali. Now this is ready. Here's our crispy lechon kawali or deep fried pork belly. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. I'll see you next time.